Right, it's Saturday morning. It's a bit of a cold one. As you can see, there's frost on the cars. Plan today. So with the secondary air intake, you get all these different check valves that you no longer need, the pump you no longer need, and that pump down there. I'm also going to do a catch can, which means removing all this stuff by here and simplifying it, because it's just a mess. There's so much. I mean, look at that. This, all stuff it doesn't need. It's crazy. Also, I'm going to remove all the aircon because I don't like aircon. Actually, I'm going to see if there's anything in it. Is it charged? Yep. Okay, there's aircon in there. So we're going to have to get that professionally removed. Same with the EVAP. EVAP's coming out as well. That's not that many miles, is it? That is pretty good, Nick. Still going in the bin though. That's not factory. What I find quite interesting when you buy a car like this is looking at other people's bodges or fixes. Trying to figure out what the hell he's done. Here's the airflow meter, stay there. Bin. So now we can get to the SIA. Just give myself more room. So I believe this is going to be my coolant leak. So let's have a look. The state of the seal inside this. Just trying to lose that 10 mil. So I need that. You can see why these fail. Look how soft that is. Right. Look at the gunk in there. And this is why you should have a catch can. Look how much room there is now for activities. There is ridiculous amount. Ooh, the actual casing on that's broke, look. I can get a better picture of this, hang on. Right, but there's missing. Well, this afternoon things escalated a bit quicker than I kind of anticipated. I had a free bit of time, so I thought I'd quickly nip up here with a pup on hand. Aircon deleted. Alternator, it's going to be upgraded, so I've got 140 amp off a Mark 5 I'm going to try. If not, this thing's got a 120 amp alternator, just happy to give up. So if you're ever curious if a 140 amp Mark 5 Golf or Audi A3 alternator will fit on a Mark 4 Golf, the answer is yes, it does. Sunday morning progression. Alternator is all on and buttoned up. Time belt kit is stripped down, ready to be done. Probably not going to get around to that today though. I have the new temperature sensor housing on, and see down here the SAI delete is on. I've also put my chav filter on. Here the engine covers for the timing belt. Plumbed in my dump valve, or diverter valve. I've got some blanks to blank off by here now. Aircon is fully out. I've removed all the lines. You see, so she is fully deleted. I've also relocated the 2 resistors or 2 relays into the box, so I got more room. So I can have my catch can mounted there. She's coming along. So this is the car. Motorbikes. This is the car I borrowed some parts from. So you can see temperature sensor, SAI was all on this. Air filter was on this too. So I got the coil pack from, so it's missing. Dog out your 2. The mic's removing your subframe.
I'm using a hammer as a cutting tool.
Hammers are very good cutting tools. Is it just held on the key tube there, is it?
Yeah, so I've just got to push this through. Yeah.
Hang on, wait there. Right now. Yeah?
Yeah, that's free. Now let's let gravity in the way. Subframe.
It's out. The subframes. Remove the front of this as well for the brakes. And the quick rack for this. Nice brew on the go. So I'll give a little update as to how far I got today. So the timing belt switch is ready to be done. The only thing I've got left to remove is this final bit of the engine mount. Finish everything else off this end. We've got a new coolant line, SAI delete. I've run a couple of back lines, a couple need to blank off. You can probably see it's just starting to snow. So I'm gonna head in, have some food, and edit this video. So when I come back next, is finish off the timing belt and start some of the other jobs. Enjoy.